Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered two things, that how to log your process OPC simulation server data in the CSV file, and the second thing we have covered, that how to log your process OPC simulation server data in the SQLite database. Okay, if it is working for process OPC simulation server, then it will work for any OPC server inside the industry. Okay, now in this video we will log our data in the MySQL database. Okay, so here is my process OPCUA simulation server. I will use Node-RED to connect with the process OPCUA simulation server, and we are going to log this 6 tag in the MySQL database. Okay, we will create a table, and inside the table we are going to log our data. Okay, so here is my Node-RED flow, which is same as the previous flow, okay, which I have used to log data in the SQLite database. Only thing I have changed is this node. Okay, I have changed instead of SQLite node, I have changed to MySQL node. So this thing are same. In the timestamp node I have set the OPCUA variable. Okay, here I am going to read the data. Okay, that's it. And in the read value I have provided the process OPCUA simulation server endpoint URL. If you have your own OPCUA server or any industrial OPCUA server, then you can provide the endpoint URL of that OPCUA server. Security policy, and the security mode is none. Everything else is as it is. In the strategy I didn't touch anything. Okay, now we will go back. Here attribute ID is value because we are going to read the values. Okay, and everything else is as it is. I didn't touch anything. And then after, in the response node, whatever response we are getting from the read value node, we are simplifying that response using this IoT response node. Okay, in the filter there is nothing, and in the setting I just have ticked this checkbox, and whatever data we are getting from the response node, that will pass to this function node, and this function node will create 6 output, okay, for each tag. You can see here each tag like counter, random, sawtooth, sinusoid, square, and triangle. So we want to log the 6 data, 6 tags, so that is why we have to create 6 output. Okay, and this output will pass to this set SQL topic node. In the in this node we have created the SQL statement. You can say insert into OPCUA data, and what we are going to insert, the tag name and the tag value, and the tag name and the value is coming from the previous node. You can see counter, so we will passing the tag value and the tag name from here. Okay, so payload.name we will set it as a message.tag, and the payload.value we will set it as a message.value, and we will pass it to the set SQL topic node, and this will pass the data to this database node. So inside the database node I have created the MySQL database connection. So this is the host, this is the port number, username is root, and the password, and the database is test. As you can see on my MySQL workbench, I have test database here. So I'm going to log the data under the test database. So here is the database name, update, done, and control D for deployment. You can see it is connected. Okay, now I have use OPCUA data table, which is not available here. If I refresh it, then you can see that table is not available. So we can create a table using this node. If I inject it, then you can see create table injected, output is okay. I can go to MySQL workbench, and you can see OPCUA data table is created and it is empty. Now we want to log the data of our process OPCUA simulation server. So all I have to do is I have to inject this timestamp node. Okay, so once I inject it, okay, it is injected, there is no error, and I can come to here in my SQL workbench and I can run the query. You can see we have the data along with the timestamp, counter, random, sawtooth, square, sinusoid, triangle. We have 6 data in the single shot, and here is the tag value. Okay, if you want to automate this process, you don't want to click every time to the timestamp node, then you can also automate it. You have to use this repeat section like interval. We want to log our data at every 5 seconds, and delay start is 2 seconds, and then done, and then we will deploy it. Okay, now we don't have to do anything. It will automatically inject the data and it will automatically log the data in the MySQL database. You can see output as okay, so it has log one entry. Okay, so we can see, oh, we have so many entries. You can see first logging as a 23, the second one is at 09 plus 5 14, and next one will be 14 plus 5 19, 19 plus 5 24. So every 5 seconds our Node-RED will read the data from our process OPC simulation server, and it will log the data in MySQL database. You can create your table any way you want. Okay, this is a narrow format table. You can also create a wide format table in which you have a timestamp and you have a 6 tags, so you will have a 6 column for each tag. Okay, so that is also possible. It's up to you how you want to log your data. Okay, so with the help of Node-RED, this is possible to log your any OPC US server data in the MySQL database at certain interval. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. And in this function, we are segregating those data, or you can say we are separating the values of counter, random, sawtooth, sinusoid, and everything. Okay, and if you want to buy this flow, then you can buy from our Shopify store. The product link will be on the display. Okay, you can also click there and you can also visit our Shopify store and you can buy the flow. You can also visit our website and you can click buy Node-RED flow and it will navigate to you our Shopify store, and here also you can buy our Node-RED flow. Okay, so I hope everything is clear, and if you still have any question or concern related to this flow, then you can ping me on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, anywhere. And if you have any question or concern related to the product purchase, okay, I mean the flow purchase, then also you can ping me on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram. So we will meet you in the next video, and in the next video we will come with a new this kind of solution. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, this flow will log our data. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.